In this video, I'm going to talk about how to get to know about the new technologies and new update within Microsoft 365 applications, okay? And Microsoft 365 Cloud, Azure Cloud, Dynamics 365 Cloud. So in one of the video, one of the user has asked me a question like how to know for new technologies and new updates in Power Apps or in Power Platform. So if anything new comes up in Power Platform or Power Apps or any other technologies, then how do we know about it, as an end user, because things are constantly changing in the Microsoft space. So how do we get to know about that? So that's a very nice question. So what I did is like I've just covered this for three different clouds within Microsoft. So there is a Dynamics 365 cloud, there is a Microsoft 365 cloud, and then there is Azure cloud. Okay, so for Power Platform or Dynamics 365, if you navigate to this URL, releaseplans.microsoft.com. Okay, so let me again show you releaseplans.microsoft.com. So if I click on it, then according to your locale, it will redirect you to some page. Okay, and this will be the page based on your locale. Now here on the left hand side you will see a view selector. So Dynamics 365, you can select various products within Dynamics 365 like customer insights, sales, marketing, field service, FinOps, project operation, human resources, in Power Platform, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and Power Pages. Yeah. So now if I navigate to say Power Apps, so I'm in currently in say Power Pages over here. If I click on Power Apps, then I'll be navigated to the Power Apps section, and on the right hand side you will see something called as Planned, Coming Soon, and Try Now. Okay, so if I click on Try Now, what does that indicate? This indicates all the past dates. So that means this feature have all been released. Okay, now the feature has been released either in public preview or in general availability. Okay, and these are the dates when this feature was released. So this is like past. Okay, Try Now is past. Coming Soon is, this is going to come very recently now. Okay, so this is Jan 2024. So Jan 2024, this is recently general availability. So this is, I'd say, current. Planned means anything which is in the future. Okay, so this is like March or maybe April or May. Okay, now let's click on Try Now, and here if you see what other various features, so it is all categorized based on some sections like building modern app and enable enterprise scale. If I click on building modern app, and if I want to see this, okay, drag and drop to build responsive pages easily. If I want to know more about that feature, I'll click on that, and it will give you a nice introduction about what this that feature is about in a brief text. Some of the content will have screenshots as well, and also it will give you a clear timeline indication that when it was made general available. Okay, so it was made on 26 December of 16th. Okay, and it was included in Power Apps release wave 2. And if you want to read more information, you can click on learn more, or if you want to read more about the release, then you click over here. Okay, so this is a nice interface to know what what had came, what is coming, and what is planned. Okay, now here there are multiple ways to filter it out. If you want to know further like what came in the last 7 days, you can click here, and then you click on apply. Okay, and then you will see what has came in the last 7 days. So nothing has come in the last 7 days with Power Apps. Okay, now if I want to know what came in the last 30 days, okay, then these are the things which came in the last 30 days, and then you can explore this feature, and then you learn more about it. Other things, if you click here, this is like group by theme. It is grouping by the text, is grouping by the date. Okay, so also if you sign into this particular site, so there is a sign in button, then you can even create your own release plan. So how do you create your own release plan? Is first is like you go into any of the releases and you click on plus. Okay, so this plus button will light up when you click on sign in, and then you can track the releases. So take for example, if you think that okay, for some particular technology, say take for example Power Pages, there are some feature I need to make sure that so take for example, let me remove this filter. If these are the feature which is came or which is about to come, okay, so this feature is about to come, and if I want to track this feature, then I'll click on plus, and then it will be saved in my release plan. So this is about release plan for Dynamics 365 and Power Platform. So I've listed all the technologies over here. So for if you want to see the release plan for Dynamics 365 and Power Platform, this is the URL. Now, what about Microsoft 365? So this is the URL. I'll put this URL in the description. Now, this URL will give you everything about Microsoft 365. Now, what does Microsoft 365 contains is, if you click on product, you will see the whole bunch of things over here. Now, I've just selected planner, but you can see that anything related to Microsoft Copilot for 365, Defender, Edge, Graph, Microsoft 365, Forms, Exchange, Excel, Access, OneNote, Planner, Power BI, Whiteboard, Visio. So everything which falls under Microsoft 365 roadmap, you can see over here. Okay. Now, there might be some overlap. Like I saw, there is something Power BI. So Power BI is also available in the Power Platform interface as well. Okay, and then you can select whatever technology you want. So, take for example, if I want to see what will come in Stream, Teams, or maybe Viva. Okay, and I'll just click outside. Then it will show me a nice interface which says the 209 items is in development, 102 is 112 is rolling out, and 456 has been launched. So if I want to see what all things are launched, so I will be able to see whole bunch of information. So anything which is past, right? So December 2024, if I click over here, then it will give you a nice uh, interface, which let me know the description of what that feature is all about. What is the feature ID? When it was added to the roadmap? When it was last modified? What product does it belong to? Which cloud instances it has been rolled out to? And what platform it belongs to? Okay, and what is the release phase? So, nice interface, a quick and a crisp way. You can even sort by old to new, new to old, sort by rollout date, preview date, so on and so forth. And you can further select various phases as well. If you want to see only product which is generally available, okay, then you click on it, and then it will only show you the things which are generally available, and you can clear the filter all at once. Again, if you want to search by various cloud instance like GCC, GCC High, Worldwide, or DoD, then you can select those as well. So this is all about Microsoft 365. Now, if you want to see what's coming in Azure, so there is something called as Azure Roadmap, and here, uh, if I go to azure.microsoft.com/ENUS or ENEU or whatever locale you belong to, and slash updates, then that will give you an Azure updates. So whatever things are coming within Azure, three blocks indicate now available. This one indicates preview. This one is in development. Okay, so if I scroll down, I can see that on 18th of the Jan, upgrading existing Azure Gen 1 VMs to Gen 2 will be in private preview. On 17th of the Jan, generally available Azure MySQL import feature. And if I want to know more about it, I'll click on it, and then I should be able to see some more information about it. Okay, so let me go back. And similarly, you can filter out if you want to search like by product category. If you want to see what's coming in, say, identity or DevOps or databases, you can select those filters, and you can click on features or compliance or management and filter results. Once you do that, you should be able to see all the listing based on your filters. So that's how you know what is coming within Microsoft Azure Cloud. So we have covered three URLs. One is to see the release planner for Dynamics 365 Microsoft Power Platform, what's coming in Microsoft 365, which is again a wide product, and what's coming within Microsoft Azure Cloud. So that's it, folks. This is all about knowing the new features which is being released or which is being currently worked on by Microsoft, that you can easily access within this three particular website. Thanks for watching.